Have you ever smelled rotting flesh? Is stench so powerful it could make your head spin? Now imagine that smell is all around you, and when you turn around, there is just a plant standing there. This isn't just any ordinary plant, it's a living mystery that appears suddenly, once every few years, and blooms for just 48 hours, then vanishes like it was never there. If you're into mind blowing facts, don't miss this video because today you are going to hear the story of a flower that smells like a corpse. The world knows this flower by the name corpse flower. It's the largest, smelliest, and one of the rarest flowers on earth. Originally found only in the rainforests of Indonesia, it's now also grown in botanical gardens around the world, including the USA, Japan, and Europe. So, what makes this flower so unique? Number one, its smell. When it blooms, it gives off an odor similar to rotting meat or decaying flesh. This awful smell is not a flaw, it's a strategy. It's designed to attract insects that are drawn to decaying material, especially beetles and flesh flies. Number two, its size. The flower can grow up to 3 meters tall, taller than most people. One recorded bloom even weighed over 100 kilograms. Number three, rare bloom. The most amazing part. It only blooms once every 7 to 10 years. And even then, the bloom lasts only 24 to 48 hours. So if you miss that moment, your next chance might come a decade later. This plant spends most of its life underground as a giant root like structure. When the conditions are perfect, warm temperature, humidity, and fertile soil, it gathers enough energy to suddenly bloom. Even its leaves grow to the size of a small tree. This is a massive plant. Scientists study the corpse flower to better understand pollination and plant behavior. Many botanical gardens live stream its bloom because it has become a global natural event. In Indonesia, some locals view this flower as spiritually symbolic, rare, mysterious, and powerful. So far, it has no known medical use, but it's a crucial part of Earth's biodiversity. Rare plants like these remind us of the fragile balance of our ecosystem. It also plays a valuable role in botany in climate research. So the corpse flower isn't just a strange plant. It's a reminder of incredible secrets hidden in the nature. A flower that smells like death. Yet people stand in line for hours just to see it bloom. Because some things are so unique, only nature could create them. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.